The Lions own and run a program at this particular home that looks after kids in an emergency accommodation type of way.
I am Christine Schofield. I am the President of Lions Youth Emergency Accommodation Centre. When we were all born, we weren't born happy or sad. It is a learned experience. And a lot of the children who come here, or most of the children, or all of the children who come here, haven't had necessarily a good experience growing up, and that's why they've ended up here. There are many reasons why we went with Toby. With having knowledge of Toby's workmanship and dedication, we approved him as the builder for our renovation.
I was wanting to give back to the community, and in doing this type of work, I feel like I can use the systems I have in place in my new home building company and renovation company to systemize and produce a product for these people as quick and as efficient as I can.
Unfortunately, during the Christmas period of 2020, the house sustained a major amount of internal damage and external damage as well, including broken skylights on the roof. A lot of the walls had to be removed and replaced, so this was a major renovation that was required. Unfortunately, the house had to be closed down due to the damage.
When I saw the plan, I saw what it was going from to what it is going to be now, and I saw that transformation that I just wanted to be a part of it. Just the way that the new kitchen was going to be laid out and very welcoming. So the job took 15 weeks from start to finish. On that 15th week, we organised a special event, a ribbon cutting, basically the new beginning.
When I saw this job come across my desk and they asked me if I could do it, I actioned it straight away, as I knew the importance of the facility should be that it was up and running straight away. So what we've done here, we've remodelled the kitchen and laundry to make 2 separate spaces.
But it gave them the opportunity to enable the children to participate in the meals and what have you.
The ceilings have been completely insulated, complete new electrical lighting. We've got all new fixtures for the bathrooms. We also relocated bathrooms and bedrooms within the facility so that it could better serve its purpose. There are many different spaces that have been created within the building and allowing for plenty of personal space for those having to stay here.
This house is amazing.
I really do hope that this new improved facility with the upgrades that we've put in will contribute to the kids and the staff working here.
They are really appreciative of the effort that we have gone through to make this a lovely house, not only for the staff but for the children. I couldn't have been happier with Toby and his crew. The work just happened beautifully. I could not ask for a better outlook from the whole house. We are here to serve the community and with the special youth project as Clyde House.